So you said we open from there?
From the stomach, so that you can remove the ovals. Matumba can eat ovals. And its stomach is a stomach of a carnivorous fish. Yes.
Any carnivorous?
Yeah, and like tilapia and other amphibious fish, like the common carp. And rest.
So you said
these are the ovals, the matumbo. You see that big stomach?
This is octopus.
No. Those are not octopus.
Like an octopus.
No.
On its intestine.
It's part of the internal organs, the stomach.
And then?
Remove the big stomach. That's the stomach of the fish. That's the stomach. You have to cut it as I cut the last fish. The first fish.
It has a bile.
Yeah, all fishes they have them bile.
But it's not like for chicken.
Bile is bile. It works the same. Yeah.
Evo. What's this?
Those are the male part of it, the gonad, male gonad. Gonad. Like the opposite of in the female, you have the eggs. In the males, you have those male gonad. You see? That's the clothing plant. Yes.
And these are the eggs.
Those are the eggs. These are the eggs for a female.
These are eggs.
Yes. Eggs.
And they cannot be cooked?
You can. They are sweet.
Like that.
And delicious. No, yeah, surely. Come on, sausage. You fry them.
How do you even start frying them? And then
now you have to wash them. You wash the fish thoroughly, even the gills.
Fish. Isn't it? They are eaten.
What?
The
Yeah. And the
not the what do you call the liver? The liver.
Normally people don't do it. You know the problem we Bantus on this side.
Well, they
we are
don't
not fish eating community. I like the rules, Uyas, Kisses.
Right, you like fish?
So much. They are near the rate. Can you open the mouth and the juice?
I'm going to bite.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, and then, yeah. Yeah, remove. I told you to can bite. Try again. You are beaten back. Daddy fish.
Imagine.
They can't cut the fish.
Hey, Dad, see, serious, Ona. Ona, hapa.
What?
Hapa.
You are beaten by fish.
Imagine a dead fish.
Can you try again?
Ona, this thing is not dead. I'm not putting my finger there.
Aya, you're on.
Hey, Dad.
That one?
Dad, you're misleading me.
No, but I did it I was not beaten by the fish. Maybe it does not know you. You know?
Does it have to know me so that it doesn't bite?
No, it was Monrise me. You are new in this field of fish.
Hey, let me ask, why is it not dead?
It does not die easily.
It can, for how long can it stay even after being?
Stay for some time.
It can't stay for a day?
The nerves which are not dead.
Can it stay for a day?
No. But for a couple of minutes.
Even this one has eggs.
Yeah, it's a female.
Yo, guys, see that?
Yes.
Look at all that.
Yeah.
Eggs!
I'm going to carry some
But they will be dead by the time you go with them to the office.
No, I'll go to the office and get dry fish from breeding.
So for how long can these eggs survive?
No, they can't survive if they're not fertilized. They can't survive.
Like you're saying you'll carry some.
I'll carry dry fish.
Oh, not these eggs.
And then I go and do them breeding.
Yeah, guys, look at those eggs.
Not the eggs, but the whole fish.
But these are so many fish that you guys have killed.
Have you not killed fish?
Easy.
Killed eggs.
Yeah, but now they could give you so many fish. Catfish or mudfish.
The catfish. But normally in Meru they refer catfish as mudfish.
Is it only in Meru? Or it's just a common name?
It's a common name. But actually it's a catfish. The genus and it's known as Grarius gariapinus.
Okay.
Grarius.
What's that?
Gariapinus.
The fish?
Scientific name.
For catfish?
For this catfish. Grarius from the Grarius, Graridae. From the other Graridae.
It's clean?
It's Grarius. Grarius gariapinus.
Is it clean?
Is it clean? No. But you could cut that further. Oh, it's okay. And then you put the finger in the mouth.
No, I'm not doing that again. That you are not going to lie to me. You're not going to lie to me again. You're not lying to me this time. Why does mudfish doesn't have gills?
It's the type of.
But I thought all fish should be having gills.
No, not all fish.
Is it gills or
These
gills?
elongates, like the eels, the catfish, the Protopterus. The Protopterus is the other name of the English name of Protopterus. No, in Peru, Kamongo. Rangfish. The other name is rangfish. There's ranks.
Oh.
Rangfish.
So I'm going to wash here. Under there? These are called?
Those are the gills.
The gills.
And the ranks are inside there.
Is it visible to see?
Yeah, they are visible.
Those are the ones inside here. These are the gills.
Yeah.
And I understand the lungs are inside here.
They are sponge-like.
But I've seen something of the sort here.
Like sponge. There is somewhere.
Okay.
Can you see them?
I don't want to try to put my finger in the mouth again. Like the way Dad has lied to me. So how are we going to finish the slimish?
Sasa. You just keep them somewhere. And then your mom will do the favorite thing when she comes. Look at us in the mother.
They see this fish.
Yes.
Like the size of a fish.
Yes, big fish.
Say cheese, cheese. With a moving fish. Dad.
Mobilize. At least if you know you can immobilize the fish by cutting the backbone.
Yeah.
You know you'll be cutting the nerves, the nervous system. Then the fish will stop moving. Yeah.
So is that the way of killing fish? Killing this fish?
That fish, yeah, because it is vigorous and very
slippery.
It's very slippery. It has very strong spines.
Can this one kill?
Yeah.
Can this fish kill if it becomes bigger than this? Can it become bigger than this?
Yeah, it can go even 5 kgs.
But it can't be the size of a shark.
In the world, no. In the world, that's in the world, in the rivers. To say, like I remember in 2007, I went to Wasonyiro at the Melty. I was given a 7 kg catfish.
For how many days did you eat that one?
You pack it the fridge and we ate for several days.
So it was big. Like I see this thing is moving. Look.
Yeah, it doesn't just die.
But if I remove the head completely, it will stop moving.
Yeah, no, not necessarily, because the nervous system is not dead. It is the nervous system.
What do you mean by the nervous system?
Nerves.
The nerves. Oh,
yeah.
The nini.
Yes.
Nerves. Nini. Are they the veins? No.
Nerves need you feel pain.
Oh.
That's sensitivity. It comes from the
head.
It is part of the head and the vertebrae, the backbone.
Here, this one.
Yes. No, the vertebrae is the backbone. You know the backbone. It is part of the
white one.
System. Ile mafupa ya.
The bone.
Yes.
So it's not just a bone.
No. It is a bone which runs from
like
the head.
That one.
It is a continuous
this
of
one,
the
right?
brain.
This one.
Yeah.
This one here.
It is a
this one.
Yeah, that one. It is a continuous of the
focus
of the brain.
Oh.
It's the nerves. Actually, if you happen to cut the head off, the fish will be immobilized.
But the head will still move.
It can't move, but you see now it can be sluggish. It can't do anything. It can't move. It can just only kick slowly this way, like it is doing now.